Hi, SheerLuxe Middle East. I'm Aya Cotran. Welcome to my home. So I'm originally Palestinian, born and raised in London, and recently moved to Dubai 2.5 years ago. So this villa is one of those rare old Jumeirah gems, traditional, full of character. And when I first found it, I knew it was the one. Although we've renovated the house quite a bit, there's a few features that we had to keep in the house, such as the ceiling roses and the cornice and the ceiling in the living room. One of my favorite features of the house were the 3 front doors that are traditionally found in local Emirati homes. So when you walk into my entrance, the first thing that you notice is this amazing orange blossom wallpaper, which was the first thing that I chose for this house. I love that it reminds me of my homeland in Palestine. I love highlighting my heritage through my home, and there's so many little touches everywhere. I don't think you can really label my style as an interior designer. I think it's just very personal. I love prints and I love color, especially leopard print, which you'll see all around my home. And then we move on to my living room. This to me represents my London home and brings back so many fond memories in each piece. So this black and white floor I also had in my London home. So whatever I could bring with me in terms of look or memories, I wanted with me in Dubai. I love mixing eras and textures, like these Ralph Lauren striped chairs, the black lacquer table, the vintage leather armchairs gifted to me by my mother-in-law. Everything has its own story, but I think they come together in a way that feels collected rather than decorated. This is my art tool. A lot of pieces I've been gifted or been handed down. A lot of pieces I get on my travels. So this beautiful Cezanne I got while I was in Uzbekistan. I got this piece years ago, and this actually is a self-portrait of the artist as Frida Kahlo. And on the other side, 2 beautiful antique pieces I got while I was in Egypt. So as much as I'd love to have a full library in my house, I found this amazing wallpaper, which gives the effect of the library. I think it gives a really beautiful and interesting focal point to the room. A lot of these books are actually my husband's passions, from cars to shoes, a lot of books that we've collected over the years on our travels. So next to my living room is my guest bathroom. My favorite part in this bathroom has to be this Rosso Levanto custom-made marble sink. This is the first thing we had installed in here. And then everything kind of just followed, from the deep, rich walls to the art, to the blue accents. So when I have guests, even when they come to my bathroom, I want them to have a fun experience, full of art, full of color. And it just goes to show that bathrooms don't have to be boring. This is my kitchen. I truly believe the kitchen is the heart of the home. My husband and I cook a lot together, as well as cooking together with my 3 young boys, who eat non-stop. This Wolf range cooker is the most used piece in our house. It was the first thing to come with us from London. I also love collecting cookbooks. As you can see, some of my favorites are Palestine on a Plate and Beladi by Judy Kella. Her recipes are the best and they remind me of home. This is my favorite corner of the kitchen. These are menus that we've collected from some of our favorite restaurants, signed by the chefs themselves on special occasions, birthdays. This summer, our favorite restaurant had to be the Fat Badger. They don't even have menus, so it was a very special request to get this menu and have it signed. These kitchen tiles I sourced in Dubai. They give a warm Mediterranean feel. I think they really complement the sage green walls and the William Morris blinds, and it gives a really warm, homely feel in my kitchen. So this is my dining room. Every room in my house, as you can see, has a different theme. We love to host and we love to have big dinners with lots of friends and family. So even though it only has 8 chairs, this table has seated up to 16 people in one go. These are a set of 3 light fixtures from Pet Lamp, hand woven in Ethiopia. Throughout my house, there are no white walls. I love wallpaper, I love color, and I love prints. So when I looked up and I saw my white ceiling, I just said I had to cover it. The wallpaper I bought in London from Andrew Martin. The pink accents go beautifully with this stunning Rosa Valencia marble dining table that I actually designed and had made in Dubai. This piece is really special to me. It's so sentimental. It was passed down from my grandmother to my father and now to me. Even though it's lived through generations and generations, I really think that the colors and the vibrancy are still relevant to today. And it's an heirloom piece that I truly treasure. Friday nights, you can find us here. All our friends, our family come over. This bar is a very Art Deco feel. The gold accents and the detailing here on the bar. It's a very cool, edgy piece. I told you you'd find accents of Palestine all over my home, and this is one of them. This is an antique map of Palestine from 1845. So let's head upstairs to the family room. This is definitely the most lived-in room in our home. So we have movie nights together, we do homework on the table. This truly is where we spend most of our time. And that leads us to this wall behind me where you can see some of my kids' artwork from over the years. Every corner in this room has so many fond family memories. We have some more of my kids' art. We have our personalized family Monopoly board, which we play on game night. Just a few things that are really personal to us. This table is the centerpiece that connects my kids' bedrooms to our bedroom. That's where we meet every morning for breakfast, dinner time, homework. So many stories are shared and memories are made on this table. Now we're in the garden, which is actually at the front of the house, and now I'm going to show you my favorite area. This space really reminds me of the English countryside, the greenery, the mixture of textures and fabrics, and I really wanted to create a really homely, cozy vibe where we can sit on summer evenings, winter in Dubai, and with the rugs on the floor, it gives that indoors but outdoors feeling. When we moved into this house, the only thing that was left from this garden was this old bench that we restored and kept as a feature in this space. This is my British style majlis, and just like any majlis, this is where we like to gather, smoke shisha, have tea. It's endless when the weather is great in Dubai. That's the end of the home tour. I was so happy to have you here, and I hope to see you very soon.